Ito nga, girls. From here, head tayo. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is love? Ganun. What is love? Shake it. 5, 6, so pag-step natin, left, right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. What is love? Okay. Tapos next niyan, exit ka dyan. Exit. Hindi, pag ano lang talaga. Like, what is love? Exit na. Hindi, dito ka na, babe, kasi swaggy. Yan. Yan. Tapos kayo.
First of all, this week, I've been waiting for this because I'm a Korean and I'm mentoring the B-pop girls. So, Korean teaches the original K-pop moves and they will learn a lot from there sa dancing. So, I'm so excited. Hindi lang dancing kasi yung K-pop eh. There is talagang character. You should have your own character, you should have your own facial expression, project, aura. Kaya super excited ako. Kasi alam ko kung paano ilabas yung character nila from the inside. They are still shy or I don't know if they're scared, they're shy, they're not confident yet, or they're not sanay pa. But this week, I'm hoping na I can bring the character out from their inside, you know. So, yun. Tsaka hindi lang kasi actually ito K-pop nation. K-pop collaboration, like, hip-hop. So, you're so happy for it.
Pwede, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Ganito pa. Yan, tapos yan. Yan, dyan dalawa. Music tayo. Mga monsters, game. Rinig nyo, girls? Rinig? Okay. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And 1. And. Go. Yan. Okay? Gets ba, girls? Kasi parang, baka kasi hindi nyo maano yung first ganun eh. Kasi parang bitin na ewan na sobra. Game, one more. Ito kasi, this mission, alam nating sobrang iba talaga sa kanila. Lalo na doon sa mga past mission nila. So, yun nga, K-pop is sobrang, nasabi na nga ni Das, very malinis dapat, very, andun yung character, the way na sinasayaw mo talaga yung dance. And then, this time naman, ang ginawa kasi namin is pinaghalo namin yung style ko, then yung K-pop. So, this time, binigyan ko talaga sila ng yung mga tamang flavor for that song. And for the choreography, yun. And I know na lahat naman yun is pahigan ng mga girls. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is love? Okay? Tapos, wait lang muna. Wait. What is love? 1, 2, 3, 4. May 4 counts pa. What is love? Ito nga. Tapos, i-shake na lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then sa akin maglalakad. Go. 5, 6. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Okay? Yan tayo. Yes. What is love? Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yan. Girls, one more pa. Patingin.
And Maki, di ba, we have cute girl,
Yes.
cute song, and then we have strong song. And you divided in by 2.
Yeah, pinaghati talaga namin
Yes.
sila. Kasi yung first is, meron silang mga charm, mga charm talaga eh.
And cute girl na
Yes.
talagang malakas sila sa facial expression, ay alam nila kung paano i-entertain yung mga tao.
Yeah.
And they're strong girls na talagang yung moves talaga yung talagang delivery nila.
Yes.
Sa
Kung paano nila ibibigay yung
Yes.
tamang steps and choreography.
So it means we have everyone. The cute girl and the strong girl and, beautiful girls.
Yes.
So we're
Yung
so
mga
excited
pa-cute,
to show.
ganon.
Yes.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we divided the two characters, cute and strong. It doesn't mean na the cute girls cannot dance while the strong girls can only dance but they're not okay with the projection, ganon. We already chose like that two groups because they are really blending with the dancing and then at the same time with the cute the expression, ganon. So bagay naman talaga sa song nila, kaya nga nilagay namin parang ganon.
And then, hindi namin sinabi na parang bilang adyan ka sa mga pa-sweet girls is parang sweet ka lang. Parang, actually, binigyan pa rin namin sila talaga ng mga moments, each dancers, na talaga mabibigyan nila ng flavor talaga yung bawat center nila.
Hindi lang kasi alam nyo actually yung cute song, it's hard to pull out yung talagang yung hataw. Kaya I trust the cute girls actually more than strong kasi it's really hard to dance the cute dance.
Actually.
With the with the sharpness and everything. Kaya I'm excited.
And talagang sila talaga yung perfect doon. Yung 5 na yon, sila talaga yung perfect doon. So,
Yeah. Exciting.
Hi guys, we are the B-Pop Idols.
So guys, ano bang naramdaman nyo nung in-announce yung K-pop mission natin?
Siyempre, nung una.
Na-excite!
Excited ka?
Na-excite kasi
Okay.
ganun.
Hindi kasi
Bakit
diba,
kasi?
parang diba K-pop, so parang yun yung talagang gusto nating gawin.
Tsaka similar din tayo sa K-pop eh. Yung outfit.
Yes. Sayaw natin.
Ako naman sobra ako na-excite kasi pangarap ko makapag-cover ng K-pop dance. So,
Ako naman, ganun din, na-excite. Pero at the same time, na-pressure ako kasi kailangan clean kasi.
yes, yung mga
Lines
lines
mo.
kasi.
Yun.
Kasi first,
Oo, very strict kasi ang K-pop sa ganun.
True. Ako din na-excite kasi galing na ako before sa pagko-cover. Parang siya kasi yung stress reliever ko pag talagang gusto ko na magpapahinga ako sa mga iba kong gawain pero nagsasayaw ako ng K-pop.
Actually po, nung nalaman ko na K-pop cover yung next dance mission namin, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ma-feel ko. Parang worried ako, na-excited, and kinakabahan at the same time.
Madaming fans out there na talagang very critical sila when it comes to their idols. Like, syempre kapag there are group of girls that are trying to cover their dances, syempre very, critical.
and it doesn't help na 1 week lang kami magpo-practice.
Yeah.
Unlike other yung mga K-pop groups na ina-idolize niyo. They've been training for months, years. Kami 1 week lang. So,
Wala pang week.
Actually,
Don't judge us.
scared talaga ako dahil.
Scared talaga si Inday kay ang coach natin, ang mentor natin ay si Miss Dasuri Choi. Busisayin niya talaga yun na super duper well kaya yun, I'm scared.
I'm happy kasi K-pop to eh. Lahat tayo fan ng K-pop. Lalo pa, mukhang maganda yung music na ituturo sa amin. So excited ako na i-perform din sa EB stage.
Once again, I'm a Korean. And you guys will dance K-pop dance. So alam nyo na, I'll be very, very strict. But then, we have hip-hop choreographer. So you have to also show the hip-hop moves at the same time. But then, you also need to make your facial expression very well because
Yes.
this week's challenge is all about projection and aura and the character and branding. So,
yes.
kaya nyo ba to? 3-in-1 na to. Kayang-kaya nyo. Okay? Fighting!
Ayun nga, gaya po ng isa po sa mga concern po namin. Kasi ang laki po ng fandom ng K-pop and ang image or ang idol dito sa Pinas, hindi siya well-known. Hindi pa siya common. So, pag sumayaw kami ng K-pop, baka malabel kami as K-pop. Gusto po namin ipakita kung sino po kami. We are B-pop, which is part of P-pop. Pinoy pop. And gusto namin ipakita na this is us and our branding. Kahit K-pop pa yung sinasayaw namin, gusto namin ma-introduce yung charm, yung image namin.
Sarili nating character.
Tama.
Yes, ang sarili namin personality, hindi siya labeled as a wannabe K-pop.
So, siguro yung hint po ng song namin is cute. So, paano namin... siguro ang challenge natin is paano natin i-pull off yung ganun. Kasi parang, di ba, pinag-group tayo, we're the strong side. And then the charm and the cute side is nasa other girls.
Yung challenge natin dito is yung mapakita yung facial expression while doing the routine ng malinis, ng powerful
Kasi
pa
parang
rin. Ayan.
sabi din, di ba, parang more on tight shot yung
Yes.
gagawin.
Kailangan namin mapagsabay kung paano yung pag-handle ng facial expressions and the way kami sumayaw. So, dapat malinis po talaga.
Isa din ako makita yung magiging final output niya. So, for me, bigay niyo talaga yung best. And ayun nga, nabigay na ni Mentor Dasuri and nabigay ko na yung tamang areglo talaga ng sayaw para sa inyo. So, bibigyan niyo na lang talaga siya ng final output para papakita niyo sa mga tao at sa mga fans niyo na hindi lang K-pop and hindi lang hip-hop or kung ano man. I mean, ipakita niyo talaga sa na lahat kaya niyo. Ganun.
Ewan
Okay.
ko kung lalagay nyo dito hindi, or hindi. Basta girls, alam nyo na, when it comes to K-pop dance cover, maraming bash. So, it means you have to be perfect, okay? Oh, alam nyo na.
So watch out. So ano ba nafe-feel nyo guys na tayo yung magkakagrupo or bakit dalawa yung grupo natin? Ano ba nafe-feel nyo? Confident pa kayo? Ano ba?
Kaya.
Kinakabahan?
Kayang-kaya ni Team Sweet.
Natatakot?
Kabahan, pero
Sweet and spicy.
Ayan na guys, may sweet and spicy pala to. Sila kasi very, very spicy, di ba, Roar? Kami kasi very
Cute, charming.
charm. Yeah, very...
Diba? Confident tayo sa steps natin kasi it's so cute, so us.
Yeah.
It shows our charm.
Sobrang ganda nitong song na to. Tama. Tapos mukhang nandito sila last time. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Pero nandito
Sumikat to dati sa TikTok.
So guys, kung ano man po tong pinaghahandaan namin, sana abangan niyo po to sa darating na Sabado.
Tama.
See you guys.
Watch out.
Can't wait for you to see.
Abangan nyo kami sa Saturday kasi itong performance namin ito is very cute. Pero paano namin ipupull up to? So, abangan nyo yun sa Saturday. Lalo na si Miss Dasuri pa, ang judge, which is the Korean na nag-back up na din sa mga idol sa Korea. So, very detailed siya. So, abangan nyo kami!
Abangan nyo.
Kami. Let's go.
I don't know what's the right thing, but you know, everything will go well naman. If there's a communication between them, a love between them, support one another, diba? Pag-usapan nila,